Uhuru Kenyatta has in the State of the Nation address urged Kenyans not to backtrack in the fight against the virus. The president urged Kenyans to continue observing the Ministry of Health protocols meant to stop the spread of COVID-19. The president addressed the nation on a day when 23 patients succumbed to the virus over the last 24 hours, raising the death toll to 1,203. And as our reporter George Maringa tells us, the fight against COVID-19 in the wake of a second wave was one of the major issues the president spoke about during his address.
The COVID-19 pandemic struck in the first quarter of 2020, a time when President Uhuru Kenyatta is accustomed to make his State of the Nation address. 9 months into the pandemic, the president made his way to Parliament buildings to fulfill a constitutional mandate provided for by Article 132. Here, he was quick to honor the lives of those whom the pandemic has claimed.
Honorable speakers, honorable members, I would like at this juncture to request all of you to rise on your feet and join me in observing a minute of silence in honor of the memory of 1,289 Kenyans who have succumbed to this deadly disease.
As of Thursday, 919 more people have tested positive to the virus, raising the national tally to 66,723 cases. Men still dominate the daily tally, where 559 are male, while 360 are female. On the other hand, 414 patients have recovered, bringing the total recovery tally to 44,040. At the State of the Nation address, President Uhuru Kenyatta urged Kenyans and leaders to be alert and not lose their guard.
We must not succumb to COVID fatigue. We must not backtrack from our vigilant fight against this pandemic. And on our part, as leaders, our stamina for discipline must not diminish.
To date, a total of 2,207 health workers have tested positive to the deadly virus, which has claimed the lives of 23 of them since the pandemic struck.
We also once again honor and commend all our frontline health workers across the country, and we shall forever be grateful for their service under tremendous strain and challenging conditions.
A total of 1,279 patients are admitted in various health facilities countrywide, while 6,102 are on home-based isolation and care. George Maringa, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, the State of the Nation is strong, steady and resilient. President Uhuru Kenyatta assured the